The purpose of this video is to explain how to fix the record index is too big runtime error from ExtendSim. So in this example, I'm going to do a run. And you'll notice it says row index specified for read block number is too big. So when I click OK, it's going to have an abort, and then it'll immediately highlight the read block that has the problem. So when we open up the read block, and then what you can see here is that on the options, I've checked off record index is equal to run number. The problem that we're having is that there's a mismatch then between the record index it's trying to get read and the number of records actually available in the database. So we can see that here. We go to read data and we show ExtendSim database, or we can see it in this viewing window. There's only 3 records worth of data. If we look at the simulation setup window, we can see here that I've asked for 10 runs. So we've simply run out of records. So we have more runs requested than the actual number of records that are available. So the way to fix this is to simply add the number of records or reduce it to the number of records that are actually available. So now if I hit OK and run, then it runs all the way through and that solves the problem.